Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is all about keto snacks. For an oatmeal replacement, I love this one. All I do is follow the instructions on the back. I add a few pieces of strawberries, some coconut, and some maple syrup from Chalk Zero. And of course, you guys know I love my Lily's chocolate. Speaking of chocolate, you guys already know I've showed this so many times on my channel. I love putting chocolate and peanut butter on my strawberries. Sometimes I mix up some chocolate with some peanut butter and coconut oil in the microwave and just add it to a piece of cinnamon raisin bread by Chompies. And for a quick snack, I mix them with any kind of nuts. A little sweet and salty action, so good. They also have the chocolate almonds. These are really good on their own, but they're really dangerous. They also have the peanut butter cups by Lily's, and these are really good as well. If you're a candy lover like I am, these are amazing. These are the regular gummy bears, and I'm going to show you how I make my own chamoy to go on top, which is keto friendly. I like to use these limon packets, but you can definitely just use lemon if you have that. You want to get your ingredients ready. This is chamoy and confectioner's sugar. I'm going to measure out a few tablespoons in a microwave safe bowl and put it in the microwave just to melt it down a little bit before I add the sugar. Now that I added the sugar, I'm going to add it in the microwave for another 15 seconds just to incorporate everything. Now that it's ready, I'm just going to put it over my gummy bears, and I'm using a container that has a lid on it so that I'm able to shake the gummy bears up later. Now that that's incorporated, I'm going to use the tahini, and you can use as much as you want. Of course, this is what's going to make it really spicy, so I like to use a lot. Of course, you can go in and add more. This is so satisfying if you miss your Mexican candy. I put this chamoy on cucumber as well. So yummy and so refreshing. The container I get from Amazon has different flavors. This one is the Sour Blast Buddies, and I love sour candy, so I opened up the bag and added it next to my cucumbers, and it is really, really good with the chamoy. These are probably my favorite gummy bears that they have in the pack. I would say that these gummy bears are the most comparable to the ones that you'll find at the grocery store, and they're really, really good. Guilt-free and good for you. The Swedish fish are, well, sweet fish are some of my favorites. They're very comparable to the Swedish fish, but it definitely tastes different. Last but not least, for the candy are the peach rings, and these are my favorite, guys, and I love it with the chamoy. They are like kind of melt in your mouth, very satisfying. They taste really, really good and taste way better than the peach rings that you find at the grocery store. Plus, no guilt. They are sugar-free, or 3 grams of sugar, and they're using great ingredients in these products. Is your mouth watering yet? For chips, these Quest chips are really great. I have tried the nacho cheese, and I do put tapatio on them, of course. I know they have a few flavors. I've only tried the chili lime and the nacho. I add them to my charcuterie boards, which is great, and I also enjoy it with some nachos. I was on the hunt for some good granola, and I found it, you guys, and this is really good on top of the 2 good yogurts, and this one is vanilla. Oh my god, so good. I know a lot of the stuff is Highkey brand, but they're just killing it. These are the chocolate chip cookies and the double chocolate brownie cookies. They are amazing, you guys. The double chocolate brownie cookies are really, 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 really good. They kind of taste like Oreo, but not. I really do like the texture. I like the ingredients. They taste really good. They're crispy, but at the same time, they're really creamy, and you can taste the quality in the cookies. Although it is like really expensive for the bag, it's about $4 a bag. I think it's worth it if you do want a satisfying cookie. They're really, really great. If you're missing cereal like I was, add them to a bowl with some almond milk and a splash of heavy whipping cream. Bomb. And then you can add this cereal with it too. Cinnamon Highkey cereal. Oh my gosh, you guys. This kind of reminds me of a cross between a Rice Krispie treat cereal and Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Guys, fire. Zero net carbs. Are you kidding?